Hi, I'm Joe Turnage, Product Manager for Hyundai Construction Americas. Today I'm going to show you how to set up an attachment for your large frame Hyundai Excavator. First, turn on your monitor and select the menu button on the top left corner of the touchscreen. The sub-menus will now be displayed. Select Mode on the far left side of the screen. Now select Work Tool. Click on the right drop-down menu. For breaker or one-way flow, select Breaker. For two-way flow or dual action, such as a thumb, select Crusher. Once you have selected what type of attachment you are using, you can now adjust the flow and the pressure for the attachment. Attachment manufacturer's flow and pressure will vary. Please check with your attachment supplier before setting the pressure and flow. To adjust the flow, click on Flow. You can press the arrows or you can drag the bar back and forth to adjust the flow. Once you have the flow set to your attachment specification, click OK and it will be saved. To adjust the pressure, click Pressure. Press the arrows or drag the bar back and forth to adjust the pressure to your attachment specification. Once you have your pressure set to the correct manufacturer setting, press OK to save. If you're operating in breaker mode, you will want to select two pump setup. This will avoid poor performance or possible stall outs during operation. You can do this by pressing the menu. Now select the Manage icon under the sub-menus. Now scroll down to the service menu. You will need to input your dealer-provided service code for the excavator. Once the service menu is displayed, select Breaker Mode Pump Acting. Now select two pumps. Hit the menu button to return to the main screen and you are now ready to use your attachment. For questions or concerns, please contact the service department at Hyundai Construction Americas. Thank you for your time.